after you have judged anywhere from 2 to 4 debates, this will depend on your class size and your instructor, but for sure you should have judged at least 2 debates. You need to write up a debate analysis. So that's what I'm going to talk about today. This is worth 50 points of your grade in addition to the points you get for judging. So this is important. You need to do it. You need to judge your classmates' debates. So how do you write this up? Well, the first thing, of course, is please put your name, date, section, and a title like English 102 Debate Analysis. Then have a paragraph where you give the resolution. Now, this example is from the debate that your instructors did about cars in China. So again, you can see the resolution. In order to protect people's health, China should immediately stop all car production and confiscate all private cars. This is the resolution. Then the next sentence should give the sides. So you have the affirmative and the negative, and actually give the names of the students who were debating. Then you are going to outline the arguments. So the affirmative constructive arguments, what they were, who said it, and the negative constructive arguments. Again, the arguments and who said it. Then you're going to outline the rebuttals. Again, what was said and who said it for both sides. After you've outlined all the arguments, please write a final paragraph where you decide who won and why. You make a little bit of analysis. Okay, now, our debate, I think, was pretty good. Both sides made logical, ethical, and emotional arguments. But, please be honest with yourself. If one side made really logical arguments and the other side only made emotional arguments, don't say both sides made good logical and emotional arguments. Say the affirmative side made excellent logical arguments, but the negative side only made emotional arguments. Talk about the strengths and the weaknesses of both sides, and then at the end, please say who you think won. Okay, this is important. Even if you think it was the greatest debate you've ever watched and both sides were perfect, you still have to decide which side won and why. Now, this assignment is going to be due on the 17th of April if you come to the Monday, Wednesday classes, or the 18th of April if you come to the Tuesday, Thursday classes at midnight on that day. There will be no class on that day, so we are giving you the time to finish writing this. Now, where will all of this information come from? This information will come from your notes. So you've probably already seen something like this. When you judge a debate, your teacher will give you this form to take notes. So you should put, again, the names of each of the teams. And then again, you should take notes, obviously with pencil or pen, not typed like this, but handwritten notes about what the arguments for the affirmative side was, and then what the arguments for the negative side was. Then, when the sides give rebuttals, you should write down what the rebuttals were for both sides. This sheet is how you're going to be able to have the information to write up the debate analysis.